Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you how to multiply two polynomials, and it is similar and it is a Vedic method. It is not the usual method, and previously they were using that method in a very quick process, and already it is known to you everywhere. It is known to everyone that Vedic method is very easy way, and it is the quickest method. Simply it requires some practice. Clear? And it is similar to multiplication of 2-digit numbers and multiplication of 3-digit numbers, already which I have told you. Okay, see here, how to multiply 2-digit number? 1, 2, 2, 3. So 12 into 23. So first of all, the process is that multiply these two in the second step. Multiply these two plus these two. Then in the third step, multiply these two. So 3 into 2 is 6. Then 3 1 is 3. 2 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 it is 7. Then 2 1 is 2. So this is the answer. So there is no carryover here. But let us see here. 3 2 and it is 5 4. 2 4 is 8. This is 4 3 is 12. 5 2 is 10. It is 22. So write 2 here and 2 is carryover. Then 5 3 is 15. So 15 plus 2 it is 17. So this is the answer. Here. So let us see the 3-digit numbers. Multiplication with 3-digit numbers. 1 2 3. 3 to 1. So how to multiply this 3-digit number? And the process is that, see here. Already I have told you. In the first step, you have to multiply these two. In the second step, the right hand side part should be cross multiplied. And in the third step, this into this, plus this into this, plus this into this. And in the fourth step, you should multiply, cross multiply the left hand side part, and in the last step, you should multiply these two. It seems very complicated, isn't it? But practically it is very easy. See here, what I am doing. 3 1 is 3, write 3 here. Then, you should multiply, cross multiply these two. 2 1 is 2, so 2 3 is 6. So 6 plus 2 it is 8, completed. Then take these two, this part. 2 1 is 2, 3 2 is 6. So it is 8. Then diagonally, sorry. This part, 2 1 is 2, 3 2 is 6. Then this step, 1 1 is 1, 3 3 is 9, then 2 2 is 4. It is 14. So keep 4 here and 1 is carryover. Then take the left hand side part. 2 1 is 2, 3 2 is 6. So it is 9. Then 3 1 is 3. Clear? Again I am giving another example. See here. Two, 3, 2 and 3, 1, 3. 2 3 is 6. Then the right hand side part cross multiply. 3 3 is 9, 2 1 is 2. So it is 11. So 1 and the carryover is 1. Here. Then diagonally. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. Then 3 1 is 3. This is 7. 7 plus 6 it is 13. So 13 plus 3 it is 16. So 6 carryover is 1. Then left hand side part cross multiply. 2 1 is 2. Then 3 3 is 9. So it is 12. So 2 and carryover is 1. Here 3 2 is 6. So this is the answer. Now see here. And this process, now I will apply to the product of polynomials. 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 5. How to multiply these two polynomials? That means 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 5. Simply 3 5 are 15. Write 15 here. And it is plus 15, so write plus 15. Then cross multiply. It will be 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. So 19. 19x. From the right hand side I am coming. It is x to the power 0 and it is x to the power 1. Then x to the power 2 like this. So then multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. So it is 6 x square plus, right, plus here. Because the 10 plus 3, 10 plus 9 is 19 plus 19. So this is the answer. Again I am telling another question. 3x minus 5 multiplied with 2x plus 3. 5 3 are 15 and minus sign is here. Minus 15. Then cross multiply. 3 3 are 9. This is minus 10. So it is minus 1. So minus x. Minus 1 into x. Then 3 into 2 is 6. 6x square. So this is the answer. And another very interesting thing I am going to tell you. 2x plus 3y. Then it is 3x plus 2y. How to multiply these two polynomials? Containing two values, x and y. Same process, 3 into 2. It is 6 y square. Then cross multiply. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 plus 9. It is 13. 13 xy. Then plus 3 2s are 6. 6x square. So this is the answer. Clear? Now, how to multiply a second degree polynomial with another second degree polynomial or second degree polynomial with first degree polynomial? I am telling you, same process. 3x square plus 2x plus 2 with 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Same process. 2 1s are 2. Then right hand side per cross multiply. 2 1s are 2. This is minus 6. It is minus 4. So minus 4. This is plus 2. So minus 4x. Then diagonally. 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4. Then this is minus 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 1. So plus 1 into x square. Because the power of x increases. Then left hand side part cross multiply. It will be minus 9 and it is plus 4. So minus 5. Minus 5 x cube. Then multiply the last one. 3 2 is 6. It is 6 x to the 4. So this is the answer. Clear? See here, I am explaining you, and after explaining, it takes less than 30 seconds. But if you do yourself, then it will take maximum to maximum 10 seconds. Clear? So let us see another example. Two x square plus 5x plus 1 with 3x square plus 2x minus 5. 5 1s are 5 and it is minus, it is there, so minus 5. Then right hand side for cross multiply. This is minus 25 and 2 1s are 2, so it will be minus 23 x. Okay, then diagonally minus 10, it is plus 3, then 5 to the 10. Here, so plus 10 minus 10 cancel 3. So plus 3x square, then left hand side for cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4, then 3 5s are 15. So it is 19. So keep 9 here and it will be x cube, then 1 is carryover. Here, then it will become it will be 19, no carryover case is there, 19x cube, then these two. 3 to the 6. It will be 6x to the 4. So this is the answer. Here, you have to multiply these two, and the right hand side for cross multiplication, and the diagonally then this into this, plus this into this, plus this into this. Then left hand side for cross multiplication, then these two is to multiply. So this is all about the multiplication of two polynomials. Okay, see here another question. And if that will be like this will be 2x minus 5. So how to multiply? So in this case, take this term as 0 into x square. Like this you should write. Then proceed as it is. Okay. So simply multiply 4 to 5 problems. Then you will see how it is. It will be easy for you. Okay.